Hi everyone, welcome to V2 of Brolang, version 2 of Brolang. If you don't remember, Brolang was a programming language I made last year during the same time, October, November, and now I decided to customize it. Like it was initially written in Golang, the compiler was written in Golang, and now it has been converted to TypeScript. But the cherry upon the cake is now you can create your own syntax, you can create your own errors. If you remember that last time when I uh, launched this Prolang, there were customized errors and there were customized syntaxes as well, but those was according to me. Like I can decide that what keyword you have to write, but now I have made it more simpler to you by adding customized syntax and errors option, where you can create your own syntax, you can create your own errors. बहुत बकचोदी हो गई, अब काम की बात करते हैं. लेट्स क्लिक ऑन ब्राउज डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. आई होप माय रिकॉर्डिंग इज ऑन. यस, इट इज ऑन. You can see that this is the talks. Let me just copy anyone. Let me go to the playground. Yup, and you can see that this is typical syntax. If I run code, you will see the code here. If I put it like this, you can see other things here, but this is my syntax. Like you can see bhai sun x equals to 5, which means that I'm declaring a variable. Also jhanda, which is a variable, which means such, and jhoot are custom, what you can say, true and false. But the point which I'm trying to make here is, first of all, it's, as you can see, the time is 4:40. It's 23rd November. There are still a lot of bugs in it, so I'll launch this video, I'll post this video once I have fixed all of the bugs. Since I am running very short on time, I don't get time to record all of this stuff, so I'm recording this on Sunday, and once I fix all of the errors, I'll launch it. But if I click on customize syntax, you can see that there are keywords: bol bhai for print, suna bhai for input, agar for if, nahi to for else, and you will find the syntax for everything. Sun bhadve for let, which means declaring a variable, is also a syntax. This is not for any big use to you. But then comes to error messages. अरे भाई ये नंबर नहीं है, लिटरल क्या कर रहा है तू भाई, इस टोकन के लिए कोई पार्स फंक्शन नहीं मिला, गलत सिंटैक्स है. सो देर आर हिंदी एरर्स, राइट? बट नाउ व्हाट इफ आई वांट दैट आई डोंट वांट टू कॉल इट सुना भाई, आई वांट टू कॉल इट, लेट्स से, सुना भड़वे, a syntax like that. So you can customize it here, and then when you change it here, instead of writing suna bhai or bhai sun, as you can see bhai sun is written here. If I write sun bhadve, so that is also a valid syntax, because I just edited it a while ago, and you can edit your own syntax there. And if I run it, you will see the same thing, right? As you can see, the output still remains the same. Or let me change it so that you can see it explicitly. So it's 7, right? So the point which I want to say here is that you can create your own Brolang, you can create your own syntax, you can create your own errors and use it for fun. Do one thing, go to brolang.yncoach.wtf, have a bit of play around, right? And once you play with it, do post about it on whatever social media platforms you want to post, and also you share it in a group, share it in a community, college community, or whatever friend circles you have, and ask them to play with Brolang. It's a pretty fun language. You can create your own syntax and have a fun around it. You don't have to simply write console log or system.out.println, just those boring stuff. It's something new that I decided to create, and yeah, second project video in within 7 days. Cheers, chill.